We already have cereal. We already have cereal.
I know, but I want my own cereal.
I don't want that.
No, you can.
We don't even have spoons. What the fuck?
This is all gonna go behind the scenes.
No spoons.
Dude, wow, how ridiculous do I look?
I realize how small.
Oh my god, no. That's okay. I'm gonna need.
No, I like it. It's
No.
good. It's good. Holy shit. Connor, can I say Are we allowed to cuss on this? I said like 7 times since 8.
Jesus. Beep 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 beep. Are we rolling?
We're rolling. I think you've been rolling.
We've been rolling. That's my spoony baby.
Are you supposed to be talking to this? We're not supposed to be talking to this.
Okay, no. Okay, ready, action.
You can't say ready action. This is
Yeah, ready, action. And just stay quiet. Ready, action. Okay. Mind film? Alright.
Wait, I can't. Hold on. Ready? Fight on the set. Action. Wait, time out. Why you have a cereal?
I know. Okay, well. Alright, quiet on set.
Quiet. Sorry. I say a lot, don't I? Damn.
Yes.
Dude.
Action. Ready? Take your card then.
No, I like my card. I got excellent
Okay.
card. Take
Go
2.
on.
Ready? Go. You so fucking comfortable.
Come on! I was killing it.
No, you weren't.
Yes!
You like a fucking serial killer. You're so calm.
That's what we're supposed to do!
No.
We were almost done.
I am done with my cereal.
No, you're not. You were supposed to eat every single last pebble.
No, those pebbles. They hurt my mouth. I was cutting the roof of my mouth. That was I was trying to stay calm.
They were cutting the roof of your mouth?
Yeah, sure. I gotta go see a dentist now.
You suck at eating cereal.
I really do.